Good morning, I'm Dorothy from richandgoodlife.com. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to launch your profitable Amazon store from scratch. This video is for complete beginners with step-by-step instruction. If you just found out about selling on Amazon, that's awesome. It's an amazing business model, especially if you are just starting out with online business and with e-commerce. If you have been wanting to build your online FBA store and start an online passive income business, this video is perfect for you. Because in this video, I'm going to giving you the information that is literally in the courses that cost $3,000, $4,000. I'm going to give it to you for free. So this video is designed to be a complete A to Z, 0 to 100%, and an entire step-by-step tutorial, including finding the right product, source the product, launch your product, and promote your product, and make profit, and repeat. 2020 has been a difficult year. Some people lost their job. Some people are worried about the future. To achieve financial freedom, you need to have multiple sources of income. I'm going to show you different ways of making money online. You can work from home with any of this business model. I have been selling Amazon FBA products, drop shipping from my own e-commerce website, use both Shopify or WooCommerce, and affiliate marketing. If you don't know anything about Shopify or WooCommerce, don't worry, I'll be showing you in a different video. These are methods that I use and make passive income for me while I am sleeping, on vacation, spending time with family and friends. I am an officially retired average person, so if I can do it, you can do it too. Please give me a like and subscribe to my new channel. I will add new videos every week to show you how to work from anywhere in the world and earn money online. This video is about making money by selling on Amazon. This method is best for people with $3,000 to $5,000 to invest in the business. I will give you the cost breakdown shortly. I now make about $1 million in sales every year for my Amazon business. Please note it's about $1 million in sales, not $1 million in profit. I try to find a balance between making money and enjoying my life. I'm very picky with my product. The profit ratio in my Amazon product is from 20 to 25%. I think the other people might be from 10 to 15. This is an achievable goal with hard work in the beginning stages. The good thing is, once you have a successful product, you don't need to touch it anymore. You just need to watch the advertising cost and ordering inventory when stock is low. You will keep launching new products for more income. To me, this is the best business model to generate passive income. Let me show you my Amazon account right now. I am now in my Seller Central account. As you can see, I blocked some areas because I don't know whether it is against Amazon policy or not to disclose the sales number. So I just blocked the last 3 digits. As you can see here, this is 10,000 something. Let me show you the actual number right now. Today is June 12th, as you can see from here, the lower right hand. So I made about 10,000 sales a week. Let's take a look at the week from May 20 to June 3rd. Basically, Amazon pay you every 2 weeks. So this is the 2-week sales, about 20,000 something. Let's take a look at the previous 2 weeks. From May 6th to May 20, that's about 18,000. Then 2 weeks earlier, from April 22nd to May 6th, that's about 13,000. This is because I ran out of stock this week. The goods are held in the custom, and custom didn't release it on time. So the sales are slow during this 2 weeks. And then it started going back for the next 2 weeks. So as you can see, these are the real numbers here. Now let's take a look at how much sales we can make per year. In United States, holiday season starts in November and ends in December. The sales in non-holiday season is about the same every month, while the sales in holiday season is 1 to 3 times of total sales in non-holiday season. Let's assume 1 month is exactly 4 weeks. As you can see, my sales in every 2 weeks is about 20,000. 20,000 multiplied by 2, we will get 1 month sales about 40,000. From January to October, that's 10 months. So the total sales from January to October will be 40,000 multiplied by 10 equals 400,000. Let's say our sales in holiday season is 1.5 times of our non-holiday season. So 400,000 multiplied by 1.5, we will have 600,000 sales in holiday season. Now let's add our non-holiday season sales, 400,000. Our annual sale is about $1 million. My product has profit ratio of 20 to 25%. Let's use 20% here. The profit will be 1 million multiplied by 20%. So that's 200,000 profit before tax. Of course, you need to pay tax. Now let's take a look at my advertising cost. I am now in my Seller Central page. Again, I blocked some areas as I don't know whether Amazon allows sellers to give the sales data to the outside. So I blocked the last digit. As you can see, this is from last month. I spent about 3,000, made 22,000. The ACOS is 15%. ACOS is the number you need to pay attention. You don't want the ACOS to be high, otherwise it will eat all your profit. Let's take a look at this month. This month only 2 weeks. I didn't do too bad this week either. Look like I spent 1,400 something and made about 10,000. The ACOS is 15%. So you need to really pay attention to the ACOS, otherwise your profit will be spent on the advertising. Let me show you something. Let's sort about the ACOS number. This one I did some changes recently. Let's put this month. That's not correct. Let's take a look at it here. Look at last month. I think one number is very interesting. Now, you see here, this one, like 1%. I spent $600. No, I spent $60. $60. I made $6,000. This one is even lower, 0.16%. This one is just lucky, I guess. So now you see my advertising cost in my seller account. So you know how much money I spent on the advertising. What I'm just trying to show you is the real number here. Today I'm going to show you the detailed step-by-step how to sell on Amazon by using FBA for beginners. There are lots of resources teaching you selling on Amazon. Some are great, some are just a bunch of videos offering exaggerated promise and trying to sell you affiliate software. What I'm going to show you here is from my own experience. I don't think you can make millions in the first year, but this is a business model that can generate your full-time income. Even though it is for beginners, it covers everything you need to know to make a living by selling on Amazon. Selling on Amazon is one way of making money online. Two other popular ways are dropshipping and affiliate marketing. My business partners and I created a course for them. If you are interested, you can check our website. The key to all online business model is taking action. Some people never take action and they will never make money. Some people give up so quickly and they will never make money either. In my opinion, drop shipping or affiliate marketing is not as easy as you might think. The most difficult part is to bring traffic to your website. Bring traffic, it just means same like bring visitor to visit your website. Facebook ad is probably the number one way to bring traffic immediately to your website. However, not everyone can create a good Facebook ad that brings lots of traffic. Selling on Amazon is the best way to make passive income among all online business models. Even though I will show you how to use Facebook to bring external traffic to your Amazon product page, you can make good sales with only internal traffic within Amazon. Remember that I showed you my seller account. I made about $100, no, maybe about 100 unit sales for one product just with the ad itself. Once the product is launched successfully, basically you don't need to touch it anymore. You just need to watch the sales and order inventory. You don't need to worry about the shipping product to the customer or the customer service or customer return because they are all handled by Amazon. You start with another product and go on. Once you are familiar with the Amazon business, you can try dropshipping or affiliate marketing. If you learn something from the free Amazon business course, you're welcome to try our dropshipping or affiliate marketing courses. But before we start, you need to know that business needs investment. It also needs your hard work. There is no getting rich quick model in the world, because if there is, everyone will be rich now. If you don't have money to invest, I have listed some ways to make some side money on my website. The first question I always get asked is how much money we need to invest. I would say 3,000 to 5,000. I'll give you a detailed cost breakdown in the later module. Keep in mind, you might lose the money, so don't use the money you can't afford to lose. When I started, I borrowed 5,000 from my home equity line. Even if I lost it, I could still move on by paying $100 more each month. That is the risk that I can take. The course is divided into different modules. The first module is setting up the seller account. The second module is the product research. The third module is sourcing your product. Module 4 is optimize your Amazon listing. Module 5 is promote your listing. Module 6 is some final thoughts. During the course, I will show you some tools I use. Some are free, some are paid tools. You don't need to use the paid tool. When I started, I didn't use any tools at all. I need to say this. All business carry risks. What I'm going to show you is not a guarantee that you will make money. I am simply showing you a way of making money online, and the results vary. I'm going to make everything simple. To get started, I need to explain some glossary so you are going to hear throughout the course. FBA means fulfillment by Amazon. This is the Amazon store your inventory. Amazon fulfill your order when you make a sale. FBM means fulfillment by merchant. This means you store your own inventory and fulfill your order when you make a sale. Dropshipping. Dropshipping means you don't have any inventory. When you make a sale on Amazon, you order from a different vendor and ask them to ship to Amazon customers directly. Traffic. Traffic means bring people to visit your product page. It includes internal traffic and external traffic. When people search on Amazon, they find your product, they click it, that is internal traffic. External traffic means bring people to your Amazon page from Google, social media, or your own website. Convert. Convert means when the buyer visits your Amazon product page, they end up buying your product and you make a sale. Conversion rate is the total sale divided by the total visit. There are mainly two ways of selling on Amazon. One way is through drop shipping. You find products with price differences between Amazon and another website. You list them on Amazon, and then when you make a sale on Amazon, you will buy the product from the other website and ask them to drop ship to your Amazon customer. For example, you can buy from Walmart and then sell on Amazon for a profit. This is simple, but you might not be able to find the right product to sell, and you will need to research product to sell to make a profit. You will need to handle the order fulfillment, whether by yourself or through drop shipping from another website. You will also need to handle customer service. If somebody wants to return or they have some question with the product, these all add up and will take you a lot of time. Right now, time is money. And the other way is what I'm going to show you. Selling product, your own brand using FBA. Some people call it selling your private label product. This is a long-term sustainable business model that lots of people are using right now. You will find products to sell through your market research. Then you will find a supplier to make it, mainly through China or within your own country. The product will be selling under your own brand. You will ship the product to the Amazon warehouse. When you make a sale, Amazon will fulfill the order and ship it to the customer. Amazon will handle customer service and return process if needed. You will focus on generate sales. So now let's get started to the module 1.